Hey guys, this is Chris. We're back at again. We're gonna be doing another product review with our good old friends. Vikingbags sent me on over some couple new bags, testing out. These are the boulders. These are 32 liters. They come in the glossy black. You can always get the paint redone. They come in matte black, and they also come with a leather option, I do believe. These bags are amazing. You can pack a couple days trip in these. You can put some socks, some shoes on one side, and you got a jacket. You can put some shirts in there as well, and some pants. Let's take a peek on the inside. All right, let's get into these bags real quick. On over here, we have a little quick release latch. So when you guys are trying to get in and out of the bags, nice and easy. We got an armor jacket in here. We also have a pair of gloves on over here. So we also have a little pouch for your keys and your wallet. And for these bags, you will have to drill into them. So we got your different screws and bolts on over. The hardware kit comes with some spacers. I recommend to throw on a little spacer. If you have it, go to your local hardware store. I also use the stock OEM bolts, little spacers. They came with the bike because I have already the Viking Bag system bar. So very easy, lockable, very easy. Just make sure you close it, lock it, get your keys, turn it, boom. This thing's not going anywhere. With this, make sure you guys also make sure it's locked, otherwise you'll lose it. These bags are about 32 liters. They're great, they're waterproof, amazing. Once again, thank you Viking Bags for sending on over these bags. I love them, they're great. You can pack a couple days trip in there. They're fucking amazing. Definitely go get yourself a pair over at vikingbags.com.